Hey, you ready for lunch?
Is it 12 o'clock already?
Yeah, you bet it is.
Oh, wow.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I just feel horrible. Eunice really wants to see this famous YouTuber, Nastia, for her birthday. She's been watching her since she was a little girl, but the flights and hotel are so expensive.
Yeah. I mean, things are a little tight right now since my truck broke down. I wish I could help.
Nah, it's okay. You know, I don't like taking help from anyone. The hardest part is since her mom passed away, I hardly ever see Eunice smile. But yesterday, you should have seen how happy she was. At least until I told her we might not go. I need to figure out a way to make some more money.
I mean, why don't you come out and play soccer with us?
What does that have to do with anything?
Well, we have a match on Friday. Winning team gets $500 per person.
Really?
Yeah. I mean, you'd have to make the team, but with your skills, yeah, it's no problem. Come on, it'll be fun. Let's eat first.